In this video we gonna talk about how to use follow path feature in camera animation tool with noise and follow path tool. First, add path generator script component to the game object that you want to follow a specific path. Then a new game object will be added below the previous game object with game object name _ path points as the name. In this case it will be camera _ path points. This contains 3 path point game object as children. You can update the path by selecting and changing path points position. You can add a new path point by clicking Add Point in Path Generator component. If you want to add a path point in between 2 path points, simply just select the 2 path points and click Add Point. For that you should first lock the inspector. Clicking the add point without selecting 2 consecutive points will add a path point at the end of the path. You can delete a path point by simply selecting and deleting the path point game object in usual ways. Remember that undo action related to adding and deleting path point have no effect in here. You have the following options in path generator component. Follow path, which is a Boolean value to enable and disable the follow path feature. Pause updating is also another Boolean value to help optimization of this feature. Disabling this will stop calculations of the path and advise to disable when running animation or when you have stopped or finished modifying the path. Modification done to path points will not update the curve until you enable this. Next we have resolutions, which is the number of points in between segments. Higher resolution means higher the smoothness of the path. Then using curve type option you can select either Catmull-Rom or B-Spline curves. The closed loop option only available in Catmull-Rom curves. Uniform is also a Boolean value. When enabled you can have a path where path points are uniformly spread. In this case resolution doesn't refer to the number of points in between every segment, because each segment doesn't contain equal number of points. Then path color option where you can select color of the path. Then using offset value you can set the position of the camera as percentage of number of path points. When heading is enabled, the target game object will follow the path while rotating towards the direction of the path. You can set the forward axis and up axis for the game object when heading along the path. That's all for the follow path feature, and thank you and stay with us cause this package is to be updated with more useful features in near future.